Alan van Zyl. I'm a member of Zululand Yacht Club and I've lived in Richards Bay for the last 3 years. The weather is probably the most important factor in yachting, and living on the coast, the weather is a major topic of conversation wherever you go, especially in the yachting circles. The weather at sea can change very, very quickly. The hour that you are leaving is the weather that you can rely on. The rest, you've got to face it out at sea. The barometer is an instrument we use to measure air pressure, and it has been used for many, many, many years, in fact hundreds of years. And the way it works is it measures air pressure in pascals and kilopascals, and when the air pressure starts dropping, so in other words your needle on your barometer starts dropping, you know a storm is approaching. I was doing an assessment off Durban Bay and we were sailing in a nice steady fun 20 knots, and I turned around, saw a front coming across the horizon, and in a matter of 20 minutes we were in 50+ knot winds that they couldn't even open the doors of the yacht club. So we were out at sea, but in a matter of 15 to 20 minutes it went from fun sailing to now we've got to actually buckle down and everybody's got to know what they have to do. Our coastline is regarded as one of the most dangerous coastlines to sail along in the entire world. And what makes it so dangerous is we have the Agulhas Current running down from the Mozambican Channel, and we have a shelf, a continental shelf, off our coastline, which is about 10 nautical miles from our coastline, and it varies. At places it comes quite close into the land. And the water drops from 100 meters to 200 meters in a very short space of time. And what happens is this current runs down the face of this cliff under the sea. And if we get a southwester blowing, the sea is trying to push up against this current. And that's when we get these freak waves forming, which can be over 100 foot high. So that's in excess of 30-meter waves. And that's why it's classed as one of the most dangerous coastlines to sail down. Weather is the ultimate tool that you can use when you're sailing. You can't change the weather. You need to respect it and use it accordingly. There's a saying that sailors have: a red sky in the morning is a sailor's warning, and a red sky at night is a sailor's delight. In the morning, if your sky is red at sunrise, you can expect foul weather coming your way. And if it's red at night, you know you're going to have a peaceful night. Your storm has passed and it's going to be a calm night out at sea.